Hi, I'm Brett from Gizmo Drones. Thank you for watching. In today's video, I'll be testing Freewell's new ND filters for the brand new DJI Mavic 3 Classic. I got the Mavic 3 Classic a few weeks ago. Haven't really had much chance to fly it, but I did fly it this afternoon testing out these filters, and it's a great flyer. It's a high-end drone, and with that, if you're a professional or an enthusiast, you really do want to take the drone and get the most out of it by using ND filters. Freewell have a great option. They've got the standard ND filters which come with polarized versions as well. You've got the 8, 16, 32 and 64 and the polarized versions of those. You can also get the light pollution reduction filter, neutral density ND1000 for long exposure photography, and UV filter as well. So anyway, I'll do a few flights this afternoon to test out these ND filters. I hope you enjoy the video, and thank you for watching.